Introducing models of wood dust collector widely used for dust collection purpose in wood manufacturing industries for wood cutting, wood routing and fine dust collection in sorting machines. Our model comes up with digitally balanced MS impeller fan and cotton cloth bag for both collection and filtration purpose. We are providing 3 stages of cloth bag customized for heavy-duty purpose. Displaying model DCWD700 is interlinked with edge banding machine and it serves centralized ducting mechanism for automatic wood dust collection purpose. Displaying our model DDT500 has portable C-type suction hood widely used in manual wood cutting and manual wood routing purpose. Additionally used in thermal coal dust collection, automatic thermo banding machines and sorting machines. Cleantek provides various models for wood dust collection starting from 1 horsepower to 20 horsepower. Contact our technical team for more details and visit our site www.cleantekindia.com.